Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a YouTube banner in Canva. So first, you just have to go to Canva and then go to create a design, type YouTube banner. Once you tap enter, you will see here different options for your YouTube banner. So let's just say if you want to create a YouTube banner for your gaming channel, or let's just say just a vlog, you will see different options right here. Let's just say I will be creating a YouTube banner for my gaming channel. I should see the template right here. And there are tons of templates that is related to my channel. Let's just say gaming. And you just have to select one. You can double click or drag it to the blank page and then do some small edits here. Like if you want to remove elements or word, you just have to click and then tap on remove, something like that. If you want to add an element, you just have to simply tap on elements and then search for something or a specific keyword. And I strongly suggest to use graphics. So tap on graphics right here, select a specific object or element, and then double tap or drag it to its specific place or position here on your banner. Let's just say this one. Also, you can change the name. You just have to double click the text and then change name. For example, shadow bite. And here I have added the element. You can add more by just searching the keyword or icon and then place it to the blank page. You can change the color if you want to. And basically, this is what it looks like. Now, if you want to basically add more, just go to elements, or if you want to change the design, just go to design and look for template. Tap on download and then look for PNG. Download again. Go to your YouTube channel and then customize channel here. Tap on customize channel and then what you're going to do is you have to upload the YouTube banner. This is what it looks like. After that, just click on done and then refresh and then click view your channel, and this should be the result. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.